Check it out. My friend is on the other side of this big puddle. It's not a puddle. I mean, there's a river here, but it's frozen, and it makes really cool sounds when you throw stuff around across it. That sounds weird. Like skip a piece toward me. This is really cool. Having fun. Don't chuck it in the air, like skip it. Give it some distance. There we go. What? That sounds awesome. Do it again. Yeah, as you can see, I'm easily amused. That's awesome. Makes really cool noises. Hey, that went on all the way across. Awesome. All right, enough fun. All right, I'm gonna put away my drone now. We successfully made a good video, 2 of them. I'll upload those. I'm gonna take off the antennas as one unit, just pull them off like this. They stay together. Put those down, fold that up. The phone is off, that way it won't drain my battery on the phone. Put the styrofoam over the controller like so. Get a strap. These usually come with the GoPros. Put it on the back like so. Get the loose end of the strap, put it through, tighten it up, make sure that's good. This is going to keep your joysticks on your remote control from breaking, because that sucks and it's happened to me before, so let's not do that. This little joystick right here that controls the zoom and stuff, they break, so let's not break those. After it's like that, go ahead and put it down. Grab your gimbal protector, flip your drone upside down. It's got 2 little plastic forks in there. It's got that one part on the neck. Line it up with that one part on the neck. Snap it down. That way your drone doesn't break its neck looking everywhere. Take off the landing things. Take it just like that. It's easy. Fold it in. Fold the other one in. Fold these 2 in like that. Okay, put this down. With your left hand, grab the leg itself and just pull up to get these off. Okay, and there is El Drono by itself. This is a DJI Mavic Pro Platinum. Okay, slip this drone into its case face down like that. That way to protect these legs, because they break and that sucks. Put this landing stuff here in the side pocket of extras. Close it up. This thing right here can go in just like this. It's fine, nothing's gonna happen to it. It's not gonna break, it folds. This controller, I like to have it ready, so put it in just like that. Close it all up.